Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Writing Fever. Today, I am going to update you with some current affairs. So, let's get started. Number 1. Delhi government launched a website for job seeker. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, launched a government official website named Rozgar Bazaar. The URL is job.delhi.gov.in. All the government job recruitment will be updated there. Number 2. The International Cricket Council officially launched the inaugural ICC Men's Cricket World Cup Super League on July 27, 2020. The Super League will be underway on July 30, 2020 in Southampton with a series between world champions England and Ireland. Number 3. Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra has ordered the state government to call for an assembly session. He clarified in a statement released by the Raj Bhavan that not convening the assembly was never the intention. Number 4. The Ministry of Art Sciences launched the mobile app Mosam on July 27, 2020 for India Meteorological Department on its Foundation Day celebrations. The users will be able to access weather forecast, radar images, and be warned of the impending weather events. Number 5. India has extended $1 million worth of medical assistance to the Democratic People's Republic of North Korea. The medical assistance to North Korea has been given in response to a request received from the World Health Organization. Number 6. 5 Rafale fighter jets took off from France on 27th July 2020 to join the Indian Air Force fleet in Ambala on July 29th. They were flagged off by the Indian ambassador to France from an airbase in Mérignac in France. Number 7. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 3 new high throughout ICMR COVID-19 testing labs in Noida, Mumbai and Kolkata on July 27, 2020. During his virtual address, the Prime Minister highlighted that the labs will not remain restricted to testing COVID samples. That's all for today. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.